1 o'clock. What was I doing? Anyway, my diss track. Let's go. Okay, so let's find the beat. Oh, we're doing it. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's do this. What was that? Oh, that just really hurt. Oh, again. Oh. Oh. Where am I? What am I wearing? Chefatron doesn't wear these clothes. Although, these clothes do look quite me. Wonder where I am. I'm in someone else's body, I guess. What's this? Okay. Well, I need to get my kit ready. Where's my Supreme hat? Wait, there surely must be some paper in this house. Let's get some. Okay guys, I can't find any paper in this room. I'm Chefatron. I just found this camera, so I wanted to use it, you know. Okay. The quality is really bad. Okay. So now let's see somewhere else. Not exactly this, but yeah. I'm not the best video person. I just found this camera. I saw a printer somewhere. What looks in there? Okay guys, so here's the printer, I think. This is the printer. So at least we get my this one's, yeah. I'm learning to speak on the camera. I'm not a camera guy. So yeah, hopefully I can make my Supreme hat with it. So yeah. Okay. Ooh. Okay guys, so I've got all my kit ready. I've got the Supreme sticker, I've got paper. Now, one more thing. That's my stick. And it's something like this. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Yeah. So, let's just stick it in. Ooh, found a good place here. Okay, so that's really this. Oh, that's epic. Oh, that's nice. Stick here. Okay. Now peel this off and. It's got a sticker and yes, that's nice. And I found the glue here. I mean, I'm not an expert around this house. I haven't been in this house. I've just been somehow went in someone else's body. So yeah. So, what I'm going to do, also, I always have my chef marks. this, and you screw it. So what you do is make like this. I get servants who do it for me, but you know, do it on like, you know. Okay, so you should end up with something like this. It's nice, it's, you know, perfectly fits me. Normally it does, but I don't know. Maybe I can just do this. And it's kind of like my, I don't know. So what? But I'll just keep it like this. Of course. The hockey stick. Now what else? You know what? What is this? It's like this, of course. And, you know what? Do like this. And yeah, this is yes. Oh. What's this? Supreme. I got a hockey stick. Why is it pink? Anyway, I need to continue my diss track. Okay. Glue. What is this? Okay, let's do this. So, trust me, this diss track's gonna be good. And freestyle. Adverts. Okay. Ayrton. Ayrton, you're so bad. Ayrton, you're so bad. Ayrton, you're just terrible. You're terrible. You're more clickbait than my clickbait. That's clickbait or something. Yes. Yes. Your sister fired both of you and she's 4. I'm better than you. I've just hit 20 subscribers in 2 months. You've hit 40 in 8 months. You're so bad that I get puberty and well, it's gonna be a bar. My bars are better than all of yours combined. I don't swear. This is a diss track. Get rid of you. You're so bad that, yeah, you've got more freckles than my bars. And, well, yeah, this is the diss track. This is the best diss track ever. And, well, it's a diss track, but I'm dissing you. So, yeah, you've got a sister who's ginger, and I've got sisters with black hair, and you've got a channel which has clickbait. But I've said that already, but it's true. And well, I'm making a new series called Chefatron, and it's going to be so good. It's going to be the best series ever. It's going to be the best series ever. Watch out. Weekly episode on Sunday. Watch out. It's going to be good. Oh yeah, also, thanks so much for 20 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without any of you. Yep, my camera's running out. See you. Bye.